welcome back to Sparkle with Jyoti. Hope you're doing good, guys. So today is 30th June and I'm going to remember this day because I am getting vaccinated. Yes, finally. I don't know, we were like really waiting in the queue. They were going age-wise here, and then suddenly today, yesterday actually, they announced that they are going to open the vaccine doors for people above 18 years of age. And so it was like chaos in the morning, and we were trying to book, and it started at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then immediately it started getting like really crazy. Like people were, I think a lot of people were trying to book at a time, and the websites were so slow, and me and my husband were like really struggling to book an appointment, and we wanted to get it done because we are planning to go outside, like travel somewhere around Sweden end of July. So we wanted to make sure that we at least get the first dosage, because the second dosage you get after 7 weeks. So yeah, that's how I'm just going. I'm on the way, and unfortunately it was so busy, crazy busy, that I had to book in another municipality, you know. So I live in Gothenburg, so there's another nearby municipality called Partille, so I had to book there because that's what was available, and we just didn't think and just booked it. My husband has got his appointment on Saturday, but I got today, so I am on the way there. So let's see how it goes. I think I've heard like so many people taking the vaccine, and I was just waiting. I don't know, like, you know, that when will be our turn come. So yeah, let's see how it goes. By the way, guys, such a beautiful day. It's very warm. I'm sure, I have not even checked, I didn't have time, but I'm sure it must be like 25 degrees. It's extremely warm. It's like hot literally, you know. And yeah, I'm just waiting in this bus stop. This place is called Hayden. यहाँ पे रुकी हुई हूँ. बस मेरी बस आएगी आई थिंक अराउंड 5 to 7 मिनट्स में. तो वहाँ पे जाके भी like it's quite far, you know, तो like I think it takes about 1 hour for me to reach there. तो उसके बाद देखूँगी, ढूंढना पड़ेगा कहाँ पे, because I've never, like I've been there like couple of times but I've not been in that area, like, you know, तो जाना पहचाना एरिया नहीं है. So देखते हैं कैसे होता है, and I hope, you know, that I don't get fever, और पता नहीं, मतलब I don't know what's going to happen. So let's see, and it's going to be like Pfizer, hopefully that's what is going here. इंडिया में तो कोविशील्ड और कोवैक्सीन चल रहा है, बट यहाँ पे Pfizer, like Pfizer दे रहे हैं. तो देखते हैं कैसा होता है. So जितने भी लोगों ने लिया हुआ यहाँ पे, आई हैव हर्ड दैट दे कैन नॉट इवन लिफ्ट देयर आर्म आफ्टर टेकिंग द वैक्सीन, और थोड़ा बहुत लाइक 1 day दे आर लाइक ऑफ, बट आफ्टर दैट दे आर फाइन. सो होपफुली, यू नो, ज़्यादा कुछ होगा नहीं मुझे भी. सो या देखते हैं, चलो. I got my first dosage of the vaccination, so it didn't pain actually at all. I mean, now let's see how it goes. So they've given me this vaccination card, and they have also booked my second dosage as well. So let's see. It's Pfizer, so this is what I have got, and they've told me I might expect a little bit of fever or some weakness and all that. So hopefully that will be all, nothing more. So yeah, it was a long way. I was so tired. I was running around because this place is completely new for me. I came like for the first time here, so I had no idea, and there's a lot of construction going on, so बहुत ही भागना पड़ा. But after all, I think it was worth it. It's good to get vaccinated, and you know, like be safe. So yeah guys, I'll talk to you later. So this is how the card looks like, guys. दिया है उन्होंने first dosage का date, which is today, and then नाम is my name, and then the next appointment is on 18th of August. So that's how they have given me this card to follow up. I am done. I came to the city now and I have another bus to catch, but it almost took like I have what is the time? Let me check. It's 5:40 in the evening and I had left my home at 2:30. So yeah, 4 hours are gone, but it's okay. It's worth it. I'm so tired now, so I'm gonna go home and relax for a while. And I hope you like this video, guys. If you have not taken the vaccine, do try and take it and be safe. Take care, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care. Stay positive and happy. Bye bye.